My name is Carol, and I had the Jiffy Knee Replacement surgery by Dr. Parsons 3.5 weeks ago, and I am doing amazingly well. 3 days after my surgery, I no longer needed the walker. 7 days after my surgery, I no longer needed the cane. In fact, after the fifth and sixth day, I would be walking without the cane and I would say, oh, I need my cane. And I would go back and get my cane. I really did not need it. And as you can see, I'm going to be taking my walk around the neighborhood again in just a few minutes. Something that I was not able to do for a long time before I had this particular surgery, the Jiffy Knee Replacement surgery with Dr. Parsons. What a relief now. As far as medication, I did not take the oxycodone, did not need it. And as far as the tramadol, I stopped taking it on the after the 7th day, and I only took one on that particular day in the morning. I did take the ibuprofen and the Tylenol on a schedule for the first 10 days. Now I just take it sporadically because I really don't need it, only when I experience a little bit of pain, which is not much. As far as physical therapy, the physical therapist came to my home for the first 5 days following surgery, and I now go to MVPT for physical therapy twice a week, and I'm scheduled up until July 10th. I also do my exercises at home, which have greatly helped me with my successes with the Jiffy Knee Replacement surgery by Dr. Parsons. And again, I am doing amazingly well. People who see me and know that I had the surgery just 3.5 weeks ago can't believe that it's just been 3.5 weeks. I am doing so well. Bye-bye. See you later. I'm off to my walk again. Bye-bye.